Well, here we are getting ready to make a run with the camera. It's kind of windy. This is our homing beacon, courtesy of Bill Robertson. If you can even hear me, that's what we get to see. And there's my boat over there with a light on it. We're going to try sailing with the camera. Let's go have some fun. It's going to be noisy. It's going to be bumpy. Could even be a crash. If it is, it's going to be a bummer because it's going to hit me in the head. We'll see. Only time will tell. Up with the boat. We are getting in, and if you can't see because it's hanging from my neck. Oop, just knocked the earphone out of my ear. By the way, the music is Pink Floyd. Okie dokie. God damn it. Every time you touch something with your ear, end up knocking earplugs out. Alright, get the camera over here. Getting ready here. Gonna catch some wind. And oh, by the way, there's the moon. Ain't that bitchin'? Alright, here we go. Say goodbye to the... Uh-oh, I think we're losing our wind. Okay. Those lights, that's Predator base. Alright. 10 miles an hour now. Get in. Uh-oh, no seatbelt. Hang on. Gotta put the seatbelt on before we crash. Alright. 40 miles an hour, if you can hear me. And coming up to these big jumbo bushes here and going through them. Thank God we have light. We have light, we do. We're going to tack to the left here. See if we can get my shadow. Oh, on 2 wheels. I don't think we're going to get it. It's loud. Attack here. That means I gotta get my ass to the right side of the boat. Ooh, shit. Ooh, shit. There we go. Alright, here we go. Pull the sheet tight and off we go. Yeehaw! Alright, there's an island out here somewhere. There's a flag. Islands to the right. Ground. Up, shadow. Here we go. Look out for the bushes. Woo, close one. You probably can't see any of this because I'm seeing it on the screen. I'm slowing down here with the turns. looks like. Excuse me. Coming in. Now these things are fun because they don't have brakes. So what you do is let go of the sheet and you crank on the wheel and then coast on in. And hopefully you got straps on your shoes. Uh-oh. 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 Look out. Look out. Look out. Oh my God. We're gonna die. Ah! There's Bill. Shine a light on yourself. Say hi. Oh, he's scary. All right. That was fun for the night. Bye.